How to upload long video on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If you are wondering whether you can post a video longer than 1 minute in Instagram, then the answer is yes, and the steps are pretty easy. Open the Instagram application on your device. Here, tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen and now select any video you want to post, regardless of how long or short the video is. Make sure the video is longer than 3 seconds. You can see I have selected a video longer than 2 minutes. Tap on Next. Now here you can add music, effects, stickers, and text to your video. Tap on Next again. Now if you want, you can tag people, add location, etc. and tap on Share, and with this your long video will be posted in Instagram successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.